Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Your Java runtime is incompatible. If you want to fix it, click here, and once you're here, just type here Windows Update Settings, and then make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then go back and go to background apps, and disable the first option here. And now let's move to the next step. Open File Explorer, type here %app.type%, and then click enter. Now just you will find Minecraft folder here. You have to delete this folder, and if you don't want to lose your data, just bring those two files into your folder, into your desktop, and then delete this folder. And now just don't close this one and open Minecraft launcher. Now you need to log into your account. Now just go back to this folder here and replace those two folders again to Minecraft folder, and that's it. Then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.